How to achieve a gorgeous blowout with Revlon hair brush. It's essential to use heat protection and styling products on freshly washed hair. Blow dry your hair partially before styling. Section your hair into manageable sections, clipping away the rest. Take the Revlon brush and hold it near the roots of the first section. As you brush through the section, follow the brush with the hairdryer, maintaining a gentle tension. Rolling your hair can indeed add volume and body to your blowout. Repeat this process for each section of your hair. Once your hair has cooled, gently remove the rollers one by one. Use small amount of hair oil to avoid frizz and flyaways. Enjoy your voluminous hair now.